In today's fast-paced world, getting from point A to point B can be a real hassle. Traffic jams, maintenance issues, and overcrowded vehicles can all make public transportation a frustrating experience. But what if we told you that AI is revolutionizing public transportation, making it more efficient, reliable, and enjoyable for everyone? By harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, transportation companies are now able to optimize routes in real time based on traffic patterns, passenger demand, and even weather conditions. This means fewer delays, shorter wait times, and a more predictable commute for passengers. But AI isn't just improving transportation logistics. It's also helping to reduce maintenance downtime by predicting when vehicles need repairs or replacements. By detecting potential issues before they cause a breakdown, transportation companies can save time and money and keep their fleet running smoothly. And last but not least, AI is also enhancing the passenger experience. By using data analytics and machine learning, transportation companies can offer personalized entertainment options tailored to each passenger's preferences. This means a more enjoyable and comfortable ride for everyone, whether they're commuting to work or traveling across the country. So as you can see, AI is revolutionizing public transportation, making it more efficient, reliable, and enjoyable for everyone. The future of transportation is here, and it's powered by AI.